Iran's ambitious plans to modernize its air force have advanced quickly, and there is mounting proof that the long-awaited purchase of Russian Su-35 fighter fighters is now happening. These fighters, who are renowned for their extraordinary speed and excellent dexterity, might significantly alter the Middle East's power dynamics when they arrive. Iran has been struggling for decades to upgrade its air force, which has been dependent on an outdated fleet of F-4 Phantom and F-5 Tiger fighter jets manufactured in the United States. The Su-35 fighter jet is superior to anything Iran currently possesses because of its sophisticated avionics, strong AL-4 F-1S engines, and high thrust vectoring capabilities. The Su-35 is an extremely special fighter jet in and of itself. It was initially meant to serve as a stopgap between the 4th and 5th generation fighter jets, but as Russia is switching to the Su-57 stealth jet, its main purpose is export. The fighter jet has a maximum payload capacity of 8,000 kilograms and measures 21.9 meters in length, 15.3 meters in wingspan, and 5.9 meters in height. 12 canters on the Su-35 fighter plane are used to transport external weaponry and supplies. There are 2 attachments at the bottom of the fuselage on the center line and 1 below on the jet engine section. Each wing has 4 attachments, 1 at the wingtip and 3 stations beneath the wing. The 2 stern UFA AL-31 F117S turbofan engines that Suco, the manufacturer, fitted to the Su-35 have thrust nozzle control and can produce 86.3 kilonewtons of thrust or 142.2 kilonewtons with afterburners. These engines enable the Russian-built fighter jet to maintain supersonic flight without the need for afterburners, a capability known as supercruising. The KB-50 KRTV guided bomb, KB-50SE satellite bomb, LGB-250 laser bomb, KB-150 KRTV bomb, and KB-150 LG laser guided bomb are among the explosives that may be transported in any direction aboard the Su-35. Tehran sees a new age in Middle Eastern air power as the Su-35 Tempur planes taxiing on Iranian runways, the shifting geopolitical chessboard, and the sound of the afterburner scream. Even though Moscow will probably put its own military requirements first, a sustained arms agreement with Tehran may deepen their strategic alliance and change the way the Middle East is calculated in terms of security. There's no doubt that regional enemies will be keeping a watchful eye on things. Israel will most likely look to further solidify its air superiority given its powerful F-35 force and extensive operational experience. In the meantime, Iran's increasing capabilities may provide Turkey's current modernization initiatives, including its indigenous fighter aircraft program, new impetus. The Su-35's possession by Iran may also have an impact on U.S. strategic planning and lead to a review of the country's force posture in the area. There is little doubt that Iran's acquisition of the Su-35 represents a geopolitical statement rather than merely a military deal. The effects of this agreement will extend well beyond the cockpit of a single fighter jet as Tehran reassesses its air power strategy.